In this video you'll discover simple but yet lucrative ways of how to make money with your car via Afrokonnect. This video explores 10 ways to make money with your car and other information you need to keep handy. Without further ado, here are 10 ways to earn money with your car. 1. Driving lessons. This is an easy way to make money and have fun while you're at it. You can become a driving instructor, offer driving lessons to beginners, and get paid for your services. All you need to have is a functional car in perfect condition, your driver's license, and a sound knowledge of traffic rules and regulations. You can have your lessons in batches, one person at a time, and get paid for your time. 2. Mobile market. You can run a mobile market with your car. A mobile market is like a normal store but with a twist, it moves from place to place. Mostly, mobile markets are used to distribute fresh produce and groceries like bread, eggs, tomatoes, etc. A mobile market is probably the most profitable type of business that you can run with a car. This is because it doesn't require permanent staff or renting a building, and it meets people at the point of their needs, effectively eliminating the stress they would have gone through by going to a store. 3. Haulage, helping people move. If you have a fairly large vehicle or preferably a pickup truck, then this job is perfect for you. You can help small families move their things from one house to the other. Some families try as much as possible to avoid employing the services of moving companies, so they would rather go for cheaper, paperwork-free options, and that's where you come in. 4. Advertise brands, products, and companies on your car. By now, you've probably seen a lot of cars that have their entire bodies, except the windshield and windows, covered in posters advertising the latest toothpaste, drink, mobile network, etc. The owners of these cars are being paid to live their normal lives and drive their vehicles around, and you can join them too. You just have to find a company that is willing to pay you to wrap your car in their posters. 5. Work as a shopper. This works just as well even if you don't have a vehicle, but having a car gives you bigger edge. You can just make one trip for several people as opposed to making several trips, one for each person. In case you're not fully enlightened on who a shopper is, here's a little explanation. Most people work 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. jobs, some even later than 5 p.m. After work, they are probably stressed and can't be bothered with taking a trip to the store or supermarket to get groceries and other things. 6. Carpooling. If you work an office job or a related type of job and you're seeking options to make more money without disrupting your normal work activities, then you should consider carpooling. Basically, carpooling is when a group of people ride to work and back together in the same vehicle to save and effectively reduce consumption of gas, fuel. If you have a big vehicle, it's more advantageous as you can carry more people. 7. Rent out your car. If you have a perfectly functional spare vehicle, you might want to consider renting it out to locals or tourists temporarily. This is an easy way to make money with your car without having to drive the car. As long as your vehicle particulars are up to date and you have vehicle insurance to cover damages, this is a profitable business venture. You can also make extra cash by offering to be the tourist's tour guide and taking them to hot spots in the state, city, and neighborhood. 8. Mobile mechanic. If you're into automobiles and you're very good at making vehicles work again, then you should look into becoming a mobile mechanic. A mobile mechanic has all their tools in the car, so towing vehicles will not be required except absolutely unavoidable. As a mobile mechanic, you don't have to worry about the costs of renting shops or figuring out how to tow vehicles to your shop. Once your services are needed and you're requested for, all you have to do is drive down to where the faulty vehicle is parked, fix it up, get paid, and move on to the next. 9. Food/package delivery. These jobs are already self-explanatory. In food delivery, you're linked to a restaurant or fast food joint and you deliver food to the customer who wants it. In package delivery, you are linked to companies to help deliver ordered goods to those who have ordered them. They are very similar, but they have one main difference. While package delivery can be done in one trip a day, food delivery cannot be one trip a day because it is highly impossible for all customers to order their food at the same time of the day. 10. Get a driving job. You can get a driving job with companies like Turo, Uber Eats, DoorDash, etc. Depending on your preferences, some pay per hour, some pay per day, and some pay by mileage. What driving app pays the most? In no particular order, here are 6 of the best paying driving apps with an estimated amount drivers earn per hour. 1. Wingz, $40 per hour. 2. DoorDash, $10 per hour. 3. Uber, $14 per hour. 4. Lyft, $14 per hour. 5. Turo, $34 to $124 per day. 6. Postmates, $11 per hour. In conclusion, above is a lucrative explanation of how to make money with your car. If you enjoyed or learned something from this video, please don't forget to share it with someone.